Hey there, design lovers! Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, your cozy corner of the internet for all things home inspiration. I'm so glad you're here today because we are diving into one of my absolute favorite topics, designer lighting that brings the warmest, most inviting farmhouse vibes into every single room of your home. Whether you're just starting your farmhouse journey or you're looking to refresh your space for summer, this video is packed with gorgeous ideas for you. Before we get started, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, because we share new design inspiration every week. Drop a comment below telling me your favorite room to decorate. I'd love to know. Now, let's turn on those lights. Your farmhouse story begins long before you open the front door. Exterior lighting sets the entire mood of your home from the curb. Think oversized black matte lantern-style sconces mounted symmetrically on either side of your front door. They are a farmhouse classic for good reason. Add a beautiful hanging pendant light above the porch with an Edison bulb inside for that warm, amber glow during golden hour. Solar-powered path lights lining your walkway in brushed bronze finish create depth and dimension at night. Choose fixtures with aged metal or wrought iron details to honor that authentic farmhouse aesthetic beautifully. Your entryway is the handshake of your home. Make it warm and intentional. A statement flush-mount ceiling light in an antique brass or matte black finish immediately sets the tone. Layer in a small accent lamp on your shoe cabinet or entryway console to add soft, welcoming glow at eye level. Install a round distressed frame mirror to reflect light and make the space feel larger. Add a woven mat underfoot, a wooden bench with storage, and hooks for hats, coats, and keys. Use Edison-style bulbs throughout. They cast that gorgeous golden light that says, "You're home." The living room is where your farmhouse design truly comes alive, and lighting is the secret ingredient. Start with a show-stopping chandelier. Think a wrought iron ring chandelier or a wagon wheel-style fixture above your seating area. This is your ambient lighting, which simply means your room's main light source. Then layer in table lamps on your side tables with linen or burlap shades for a soft, diffused glow. Don't forget floor lamps in reading corners. Dimmer switches are an absolute game changer here. They allow you to shift from bright and energetic to warm and moody in seconds. Nothing elevates a dining room quite like the perfect pendant light hanging above your table. In farmhouse design, we love a large wooden bead chandelier, a wrought iron multi-light pendant, or even a cluster of mason jar lights for a more playful, rustic summer feel. Your fixture should hang approximately 30 inches above your tabletop for ideal proportion. On the table itself, layer a linen runner with pillar candles in varying heights, greenery, and simple ceramic vessels. That combination of overhead lighting with candlelight creates the most beautiful, dinner party-worthy ambience your farmhouse dining room deserves. In the kitchen, lighting works double duty. It needs to be functional and fabulous. Install pendant lights above your island or breakfast bar. Aged brass or matte black metal shades are perfect farmhouse picks. Under cabinet, LED strip lighting brightens your counters beautifully while adding a modern practicality. Above your stove, a simple yet bold range hood with a built-in light becomes a design focal point. Style your refrigerator area with open wooden shelving above it, softly lit by a small plug-in sconce. Your little coffee station deserves its own warm spotlight. A small ceramic lamp nearby makes your morning ritual feel extra special. Your family room should feel like a warm hug, and lighting plays a huge role in achieving that. If your flat-screen TV is mounted above a shiplap accent wall or a reclaimed wood console, consider adding LED backlighting behind the TV. It reduces eye strain and adds incredible ambience. Choose a linen drum shade ceiling fixture or a simple wooden fan light combo for overhead illumination. Floor lamps with adjustable arms are brilliant for flexible lighting. Add chunky knit throws, a large woven rug, and oversized cushions. Then layer warm-toned bulbs throughout for that cozy family cocoon feeling every evening. The modern farmhouse home needs smart, multifunctional spaces. For your home office corner, invest in a beautiful, slightly aged brass desk lamp that provides direct task lighting, essential for focused work. On your desk, a small antique-inspired watch clock and a tiny vintage radio add personality and charm without clutter. For your reading nook, tuck a swing-arm wall sconce above your chair so light falls perfectly over your shoulder. Style your nook with a chunky knit blanket, a small wooden side table, and a potted fern. This intimate layering of light creates a space that transitions effortlessly from productivity to pure relaxation. Your bedroom should feel like a five-star retreat wrapped in farmhouse warmth. Swap out harsh overhead lighting for a soft, linen-shaded chandelier or a woven rattan pendant centered above your bed. Install plug-in wall sconces on either side of your headboard. They are a beautiful, budget-friendly alternative to hardwired bedside lamps and free up your nightstand surface. Choose bulbs with a color temperature of 2700 K for that ultra-warm, honey-toned glow. Style your nightstands with small ceramic lamps if you prefer, adding a stack of books, a tiny bud vase, and a linen candle. Peaceful, personal, and perfectly farmhouse. A beautifully lit bathroom feels like a personal spa, and in farmhouse design, we achieve that with thoughtful layering. Above your wastafel, that's your vanity sink area, install a horizontal bar light or flanking sconces on either side of your mirror for the most flattering, shadow-free illumination. Choose fixtures in brushed nickel, antique brass, or oil-rubbed bronze for a cohesive farmhouse feel. In the shower area, a damp-rated recessed light keeps things safe and bright. Style your vanity with a large framed shiplap mirror, wooden accessories, and a small potted eucalyptus. Keep bulbs warm-toned for that glowing, golden hour bathroom magic. Your garage deserves design attention too, especially in a farmhouse home. Industrial-style pendant lights or cage-style hanging bulbs are absolute perfection in this space, blending that raw, utilitarian look with farmhouse character. Install bright LED shop lights overhead for practical working light, then soften the aesthetic with a warm-toned accent fixture near your entry door. Wall-mounted lantern sconces on either side of your garage door exterior add gorgeous curb appeal after dark. Consider open wooden shelving along one wall for organized storage, and use labeled metal bins for a tidy, stylish finish. A well-lit garage is a genuinely functional and beautiful farmhouse feature. Summer farmhouse living reaches its absolute peak on a beautifully lit patio. String lights, those gorgeous Edison bulb cafe lights, draped overhead or strung between wooden posts, are the undisputed queen of outdoor farmhouse ambience. Layer in lantern-style solar stake lights along your garden path and place chunky pillar candles in hurricane glass holders on your outdoor dining table. A wall-mounted outdoor sconce beside your back door ties everything together beautifully. Style your patio with a farmhouse dining table, white linen cushion chairs, a galvanized metal tub of wildflowers, and a cotton throw. This is summer living at its most breathtaking best. Here's a pro tip most people overlook. The bulb matters just as much as the fixture. For a warm farmhouse interior, always choose bulbs with a color temperature between 2700 K and 3000 K. This produces that beautiful, honey-warm amber light we associate with cozy, inviting spaces. Avoid anything labeled cool white or daylight in living areas, as these create a clinical, flat feel. For lumens, which simply means brightness, aim for 450 to 800 lumens per bulb in living spaces. Edison-style filament bulbs are both decorative and functional. They're the farmhouse designer's best friend, period. One of the most liberating things about modern farmhouse design is that mixing metals is not only allowed, it's encouraged. The key is to have one dominant metal that appears most frequently, then bring in one or two accent metals as supporting players. For example, matte black might be your dominant choice in overhead fixtures, with antique brass appearing in lamps and smaller accessories. The rule of thumb is to repeat each metal at least twice throughout the space for a curated, intentional look rather than an accidental one. Consistency in finish tones, all warm metals together, or all cool metals, keeps the palette cohesive and elegantly layered. Farmhouse interiors are rich with texture, shiplap walls, reclaimed wood beams, board and batten paneling, and understanding how these surfaces interact with light is a genuine design superpower. Light directed toward a shiplap wall creates beautiful shadow lines that add incredible depth and dimension to any room. Install wall sconces or picture lights that wash these textured walls with warm, angled light. Reclaimed wood ceiling beams look breathtaking when you tuck small spotlights or rope lighting along their length. The contrast between rough, natural textures and warm, glowing light is the very essence of what makes farmhouse interiors feel so deeply inviting and alive. Refreshing your farmhouse lighting for summer doesn't require a renovation, just intentional swaps. Replace heavier dark lampshades with lighter linen or white cotton versions to brighten your interior naturally. Introduce rattan or woven pendant lights for a breezy, relaxed summer energy. Bring in more candles, citronella pillar candles outdoors and beeswax pillars inside, for that warm, flickering ambience that no electric bulb can replicate. Swap velvet and chunky knit accents for lighter cotton and linen textiles around your lamps and sconces. These simple, seasonal updates keep your farmhouse feeling fresh, current, and beautifully attuned to summer's effortless, sun-drenched spirit. Beautiful farmhouse lighting doesn't have to break the bank, and I am living proof of that. Start with plug-in sconces and pendant lights. They require zero electrical work and are endlessly rearrangeable. Shop thrift stores and antique markets for vintage lanterns, candlestick lamps, and unique fixtures with authentic patina that no new product can replicate. Spray paint is your best friend. A can of matte black or antique gold transforms a tired lamp into a farmhouse-worthy statement piece instantly. Layer string lights purchased from budget home stores throughout your outdoor spaces. Invest in one quality statement fixture per room and keep everything else simple and affordable around it. Never underestimate the transformative power of candlelight in a farmhouse home. Candles are one of the oldest and most romantic forms of interior lighting, and in farmhouse design, they feel absolutely essential. Cluster pillar candles in varying heights on a wooden tray for your coffee table or fireplace mantle. Taper candles in simple iron holders elevate your dining table instantly. For safety and ease, especially in homes with children or pets, high-quality flameless LED candles have become remarkably realistic and are a brilliant alternative. Look for ones with a warm flicker mode. Scented candles in cotton, cedar, or eucalyptus further enhance your sensory farmhouse experience beautifully. In the best farmhouse interiors, the light fixture itself is a piece of art, a sculptural statement that anchors the room even when the light isn't turned on. A large driftwood chandelier, an oversized woven rattan globe pendant, or an architectural multi-arm iron fixture instantly becomes the room's focal point. When selecting a statement fixture, consider the scale of your space generously. Most designers recommend going larger than feels comfortable, because an undersized fixture always looks timid and forgettable. Let your statement light be bold. Build the rest of your decor around it. Trust the fixture, commit to it fully, and watch your room transform completely. And there you have it, design friends, a complete room-by-room journey through the most beautiful designer lighting ideas for your warm farmhouse interior. From your glowing front porch lanterns all the way through to your candlelit patio under the summer stars, every single fixture, every bulb, every flickering candle tells your farmhouse story with warmth and intention. Remember, great design isn't about perfection. It's about creating a home that feels beautifully, unmistakably yours. Start with one room, one fixture, one swap, and build from there. If this video inspired you today, Please give it a big thumbs up and share it with a friend who loves farmhouse design just as much as you do. Subscribe to the Daily House Ideas so you never miss a single design moment. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep creating your dream home, one gorgeous detail at a time.